Hello everyone, I am Saloni Lohia. I pursued my engineering in electronics and communication from B.T. Patel Department at Charusat University.
Hi, my name is Agnesh. I have been studying in Electronics and Communication Department from Charusat University. I have recently completed my bachelor's in May 2020.
Hi everyone, this is Nandini Chhatwal. I have successfully completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Charusat in year 2020.
My name is Kishan Patel. I am Electronics and Communication Engineer. I have completed my graduation of BTech through Charusat University this year 2020.
Hey everyone, I'm Shobha Kurchimat. I recently completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication from B.T. Patel Institute of Electronics and Communication, Charusat.
And currently I have joined as Junior Verification Engineer in Perfect VIPs, which develops verification and emulation solution. It has also developed verification architecture for most powerful chips in the whole world. Basically, it is a very esteemed organization in the VLSI domain, and the prominent reason behind me acquiring a position in this organization goes to Career Development Placement Cell, that is CDPC cell at Charusat University, which is rigorously and efficiently working for shaping my career ahead. Now, first and the foremost reason our professors are doing at Charusat University is to cover the gap between the academics and the industry. For that, they are giving greater priorities to the subjects. Secondly, we have training or internship in which the student can go out of college boundaries. Thirdly, for a short period of 6 months, we also have aptitude sessions or soft skills sessions organized by the Charusat University.
I have always been interested in the software and hardware and its development. So I selected this electronics and communication field for my graduation studies. This led me to have placement in the MNC company, that is Meditap Software Private Limited, which is purely working for the United States healthcare domain. Its products are the one-stop solution for the doctors, patients as well as the pharmacist. With this EHR software, the patient and the doctor can easily store their health records and maintain the records easily. Not only education, but also with its cultural activities and sport activities, Charusat gives a chance to each and every student to show their extracurricular talents.
I have always been interested in software programming and digital circuits, which made me choose EC as my field. Right now, I am working with a leading product engineering and manufacturing company, VVDN Technologies, as an embedded software engineer. VVDN provides innovative solutions in various domains like 5G, IoT, camera and vision, and networking. My company is really very happy with the skills that I got from Charusat. I got to work with various companies during my summer internship also. I have always dreamed of working with an embedded company like this, and I am really very grateful to all the faculty members and all the DNPCL members for providing me the best platform to start my career.
I placed through Charusat Training and Placement Cell in A-Infochips and Aerotom. A-Infochips is a global provider of product engineering and semiconductor design services. Currently, now I am a trainee engineer at A-Infochips. After successful completion of training, I will be a junior verification engineer. In college, 5th semester, I decided to make my career in VLSI. At university, we have practical learning based approach, which helped me a lot, which has shaped my programming skills and problem solving skills. Then we got such unforgettable support from the university. University taken the mock interviews as well as also given the session of aptitude.
I'm currently with this firm, Volensys Technologies. It is a US-based firm, and I got my placement in this company through Charusat itself. All that I can say is that Charusat has a very active TNP cell, and the best part about the TNP cell of EC department is that the professors in the TNP cell are they literally consider each of us as their own little one. And at a point, I literally felt that they were working harder than us for our dream.
And lastly, I would like to thank and I'm very grateful to all the professors of CDPC Cell, professors of the Charusat University for helping me shape my career at this level. Thank you.
And a big thank you to the TNP Cell as well for all the time and effort that you guys put in for us and our dreams. Thank you so much.
So, for providing such a great platform and providing the training, thank you, Charusat. Thank you.
And I am very thankful to Charusat for everything.
All these things led me to stand out very differently into my career. For this, I am really thankful to Charusat to provide me such a nice platform and giving me the best memories with the best education in the golden days of our life. Thank you.